Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me for today's video. So excited. I have a fun unboxing for you today. My February Your Bijoux box is here. I cannot wait to dig in. The sidekicks are here today and they are decked out in their Valentine bandanas. Don't they look cute as much as you can probably see of them? They're both exhausted, apparently still from that, which happened yesterday. Yesterday I got groomed. So I do think that they feel that video time is sleepy time. So that's usually how it goes. But really excited about my Your Bijoux box. This is the, as I mentioned, the February collection. If you're new to Your Bijoux box, it is $49.99 a month. You get 3 pieces of jewelry, and a bonus item is valued at $200 or more each month. And of course, I do have a code for you. It is FREEHAPPY, and you'll get an extra piece of jewelry in your first collection. Let's dig in and see what this collection looks like. Okay, here is my box. And what's nice about Your Bijoux box is that you get to choose between 18 karat gold plated and sterling silver, so both, or you can choose just sterling silver only if you like. You can also select to opt out of earrings. So if you don't have your ears pierced, you can choose to not get earrings in your collection. So that's nice to have those extra options. Love it. And here's what I see as soon as I open my box. It says, I heart you, XOXO Shanna, and she is the inspiration behind this subscription box. She curates and designs all of her pieces and puts this collection together each and every month. All right, so let's see what is in here. It says the February collection is I Heart You, genuine garnets with 18 karat gold plating, designed by me for you. And they come in these super pretty little pouches. 3 of them in here. And first up is, let's see, I think a bracelet. Yep, first up is a bracelet. Oh, Zena's leaving. She's had enough. She's too funny. Okay. Here's what the bracelet looks like. Has the little hearts on one end, looks like a heart, and then the extra little, almost looks like a little teardrop here on the other end. You guys can see that. And I'll put it on also. Looks like it's adjustable. And it says the I Heart You cuff. Cuffs are my all-time faves. This cutie is playful and easily stackable with other gold cuffs, adjustable to fit your wrist perfectly, and has a $68 value. Let's put this on and see what it looks like. So you can tighten it up or loosen it, whichever you prefer. And there's a closer look. I like that the color is a little more subtle and not like bright, bright red. Can you guys hear Zena breathing? She's too funny. I think that's pretty. All right, there's more. Let's see what's in the next pouch. Zena's breathing noises at this point are actually, they are lullabies to me now. So when it's sleepy time, as I call it when we all go to bed, she sleeps with us, of course, and her sounds are actually soothing to me. So they help me go to sleep. But she makes all these little, just slight little breathing and snorty noises when she sleeps. She's funny. All right, this is the necklace. Oh, and this has the little hearts as well. So the same as the bracelet. Make sure you guys can see this. So I'm holding it. And I love how she always does the sliders, so you know, so that you can easily adjust the length of the necklace that you want. I love that. That is such an amazing feature. It's just so easy, but so many necklaces don't have that, and it just gives you so many options to fit your neckline perfectly. So here's what it looks like. How pretty is that? And this is called the I Heart You necklace. I'm going to slip it on and then we'll read what it says. Okay, so I've got it on. I love this. I adjusted it perfectly so it fit within this neckline, but you can make it much longer. You can make it even shorter. It says, I like to think of Valentine's Day as an excuse to give yourself a little self-love and celebrate all the relationships that lift you up day after day. So I'm happy to help you have a fabulous looking Valentine's Day no matter what your plans are. I hope you love this luscious 6 garnet festive yet sophisticated necklace, adjustable to hit in the perfect spot, $79 value. Okay, so I'll give you a close-up here. Isn't that pretty? Here's the bracelet a little closer. All right, and we still have one more. And this one is called the I Heart You ring. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. Here it is. So it is adjustable. It actually worked for me just the way that it is, but it does, you can see here, have the opening so you could adjust it. Hopefully the light's picking up. So pretty with all the pieces. I like that. I think all three are very pretty. They're not over the top, they're just perfect. A little bit closer. Yeah. All right, let's see what it says about the ring. A fun wrap around ring designed to be adjustable, great for adorning your index finger with a pop of red, $69 value. I think this is such a pretty set. I do really like it. Not over the top, so it's just really cute for Valentine's Day or any day, but not being overtly hardish, right? I like it. And then we do have bonus item, which I got 2 in here, and this is a peach moisturizing lip mask. It says enriched with fragrant peach extract. And that's the bonus item. And I don't have a value for that. So it says enriched with fragrant peach extract moisturizing, delicate lip skin, deeply moisturizing and nourishing the delicate skin of the lips, improving water retention, long-term use. The lips are tender and moisturizing. So you cleanse the lips, remove the lip membrane and stick it on the lips. Remove it after about 15 to 20 minutes. Gently massage and absorb the essence. It's an interesting way to describe it. Okay, 2 of those. And that is February's box. What did you think? I thought this was a good one. And it was fun. I like it. I think you could layer with these as well. These would be fun to layer with other pieces. I like tightening my cuffs just a little bit so they don't move around quite as much, and also get in the right spot so whenever, if you wear it while you're working, it's not banging on your desk. And I like that she always makes her cuffs adjustable like that. So fun. I will put all the information for Your Bijoux Box down below, as well as my discount code so that you could get a free piece if you decide to sign up for this subscription. Every box I've received so far has been so fun, and I like that she adds some colorful stones along the way. So blue sapphires was last month, so pretty. There was green, I think, for November. Loved that one too. So I love that she's adding colorful stones to her collections. But please comment down below and tell me what you think. Would love to hear what you thought of this set. And please, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.